now we're going to work on what I'm going to refer to as level 2 expressions. And these are negative numbers inside the parentheses and positive numbers outside. Again, our objective is I can simplify an algebraic expression using the distributive property. And algebraic means that it contains a variable. And so we're going to start using our property, and we're going to acknowledge that the number outside multiplies everything inside. So this is going to be 4 times n. Now there's two ways to look at this minus 9. I'm going to ask you to look at it like it's a negative 9 for right now. So 4n minus negative 9. So 4n minus negative 9. When we do that, we're going to get 4 times n, or 1n, is 4n. And 4 times negative 9, if you recall, our little Margar face is a positive times a negative is a negative. So I'm going to write that negative 36 as minus 36. Now, this might be taught in another way, and maybe you're going to prefer this, and that's okay. Sometimes you can look at this like 4 times n, and then drop this minus down, and then 4 times 9. The minus is already there, and 4 times 9 is 36. So that's one way to look at it. However, when we start having negative numbers outside, on the outside number, it's going to get a little bit tricky. So that's why I'm going to ask you to kind of look at that minus sign as a negative. So now let's explore the common errors. All right, as in level 1, sometimes the most common error is to multiply the 4 times the n, but forget that it has to reach across and multiply the 9. So this would be a common error, just dropping down that 9. Another common error is not acknowledging the fact that's a minus sign and either writing plus 36 or even plus 9. And then finally, sometimes it's confusing because we see that minus in front of 9, and some students might choose to take 4 minus 9, so the 4n, that usually is not where the mistake happens. But if I took 4, take away 9, a student might think that that's those two, instead of being multiplied as they should be, that they're being subtracted. So those are some common errors. So if this time, would you either take the exit ticket or go back and correct some of your errors on your practice sheet? Thank you.